Hello, team.
Yeah, hi Sujit. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. We'll start in some time, okay?
Yeah, sure. We'll wait for others to join. But Rudransh, I would like to connect with you on some clarification.
Yeah, Sujit.
Let me
I'm so sorry. Actually, I
just
was
let
occupied with other work. That's why.
I
Yeah,
can
yeah. You can go ahead,
understand, no
please.
problem. No, after this, like maybe tomorrow sometimes, because
Ah,
it required another 15 to 20 minutes to overall.
okay. Sure, Sujit. No worries. If you are able to, if you are okay with it, late night, if you are in India or out of India,
In India, Pune.
you're in Pune. If you're okay with late night conversation, that will work too.
Okay, makes
Yeah.
sense.
So after the session, near about 10 p.m., I can connect to you. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi guys, session will start in another minutes. Uh, yeah.
Ansh, just wanted to ask, you there?
Yeah, Rekha, you can ask.
I just wanted to ask, like, I had enrolled for the course, and like, I just wanted to ask, like, if the course will be beginner friendly, because there are many concepts that I'm not like in even the networking part. I'm not like very much aware. So, will it be beginner friendly?
Yeah, Rekha, it will be completely beginner friendly. From my side, I believe in learning with having fun. So you will be having it in a very beginner friendly language, day-to-day life examples you will be having in it. So no worries, even if you are having a different background. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you.
And thank you for enrolling. Welcome to our team.
Thank you, Rudransh.
As people are joining, guys, we'll wait for some time. Okay. Then we'll start our session so that no one can miss out like what is going on. Okay. Yeah, so hello everyone. I hope most of the people have joined, and other people who have not joined yet, they can go with the recorded videos as well. So I'll not make you people wait more. So we'll start our session of today. Okay. So this is your day two of a free demo session in which we'll be going to learn actually some we'll be going to see some interesting stuff in a Kali Linux. Okay. So when we'll be starting with an actual content like the networking part, it will be something a theoretical. Okay, so I will not like you to get bored or something. So instead of that, what I do is I keep it interactive, to keep it like you know to keep it something like wow, that's cool thing, hacking. Right? So what I do is I actually show you a real thing, how the terminal, I always take you to the terminal. Okay, so that will not make us bore as well, because anyways if you are continuously going with ppts and we are reading it one by one, it will make us bore. Obviously I also get bored if I'm going in some session, right? So what I'll do is I'll just give you an a look of something you may have seen in the movies thing, right? That okay, something is going on, some some interesting thing is going on, right? So I'll give you that. Guys, you may have seen that codes are falling like a rain, right? So how that people do it in a movies, I like to show it. So they just enter just give me a second. Yeah, here it is. So it just enter this command cmatrix. Okay, it is a kind of tool. Okay, it does nothing. Okay, it's just a kind of simulation, you can say. It's not a real thing. If I do this command and hit the enter, you will see something like this. Okay, but this is nothing. It's nothing happening. Okay, it's nothing happening in the background, or nothing is going on. Okay, so these are the something like thing of things you can see in the Bollywood or a Hollywood movies or in some web series of hackings. Okay, so they do this kind of thing. Then I like to give you something more. Like I'm giving you like things like terminal is very cool. Okay, it's not thing you should be fearing of. Okay, it's more of fun. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll give you one more thing. Just an example. I wanted to show you Hollywood last day, right? Because of some issue with the server, maybe it was not working. Just a second. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, Hollywood. Yeah, here it is. I'll just install it. Yep. So this will ditto similar, simulate that, okay, something hacking is going on in the background. Okay. You will see that multiple screens have been opened. This terminal will be getting divided into four or two parts. Okay. It is like a simulation. Okay. It's nothing real. Okay, so see, this is something like it will be shown in the screen if I enter this command that some green thing is going on. Okay, some codes are falling down, hacking is going on, right? Then this Hollywood is also something like that. I like to show you that as well. Okay, just give me some time so that it can get download. Okay, until then I like to get some you know interactions with you guys. Like, have you ever done anything in the Kali Linux, guys, before coming to this session? Have you explored it? Anyone?
Quite a few commands. I worked on Red Hat.
Sorry, Sujit, I was not able to hear you.
Uh, I worked for a couple of web application testing using Kali Linux for bug suite and other, but not the
Mm-hmm.
command line,
Mm-hmm.
not at the command line. Yeah,
Great.
but for
Great,
command
great,
line,
great. Yeah, please go ahead.
I did my RSC certification in 2009. So that's the only part I'm aware of. Terminal.
Okay, okay. Great, great, great. Uh, just a second, guys. Someone has message in a group. Someone is facing issue with joining. Let me see it. Okay. So is anyone facing issue with the joining to the session, guys? I think Amira is facing the issue. So I've mentioned ma'am to solve her problem. If anyone is you facing an issue, you can mention the group. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What I told is this is something I wanted to show you yesterday because of the server issue. It was not working. So yeah, this is something you may have seen in the movies as well. That something is going on. See, the codes are running something like then there is something has been done here as well. Some codes are here, something is going on. But guys, this is nothing. Okay, it's going, nothing is happening. It's just an simulation. Okay. When the real thing happens, do you want to see that real hacking looks like? Wait, I'll show you. So I'll not hack anything because it takes time. Okay, or without permission we can't hack anything. But real hacking looks like something like if I give you an example. So Nmap is one of a tool. I'll just give example of it. Uh, okay, so this is how a real hacking will be looking, guys. Okay, how it is, how I am doing this, how this is happening. This may look like okay, something serious I have entered. But believe me, guys, all this is very, very easy. Nothing to fear. Really going step by step. No. So it takes time. Right now, what I've done is I've used one tool to perform a scan this website, testphp.vulnweb.com. If I copy this now, if I copy this domain, okay. If I go to Firefox here, the Firefox, just a second. It takes a time to load as it's an guest machine in my host machine. Yeah. So here is a domain. If I enter testphp.vulnweb.com in a browser and hit the enter, it will be opening one website. Okay. So this website is intentionally made for testing purpose. Okay. There are the several other websites available for testing purpose. So this is a website which we use for the testing as well. It is intentionally vulnerable. People use this to perform and website scanning or something. Okay. So this is intentionally vulnerable. This is a vulnweb.com. Okay. Testphp.com. Okay. So using this Linux, what I have done is I've used one tool naming Nmap to perform a scan. Okay, what is this command? You don't have to worry about it right now. But what I've got it here, the discovered open ports, the protocol, and this is the IP address. Once you will be going with an terminal, it will be very easy for you to read, like from this much things, what to read, okay, and what to ignore. Okay, so it will be coming while practicing, and the tricks I'll be giving you while going with the session. Okay, so it's not that hard. Okay, but do you observe something here, guys? It is saying that discovered open ports. Port means it is something related to the networking, right? That means it is something related to the networking. And also you can see here ports. Here is a state and here is a service. It is showing port 21 TCP, state open, and service is FTP. Okay. So what is this? To understand this, that's why we learn networking, not in a that deep, but which is important for us. Okay. The things which are important for us. We learn that in a networking. That's why networking is important in the cybersecurity or when you are going to do a VAPT. Okay. And as you can see here, it's in having a DNS record also. What is DNS now? Some people may be knowing, some people, it may be a beginner, they don't know. That's why some boring thing comes in a beginning for the technical people that, okay, networking is there. So it's maybe boring, but it will refresh your or revise you. Okay. It will be for you only. Okay. So this is something you can read it very effectively when we'll be going to have a networking sessions. Okay, so that session will be beginning, will be starting, okay, from tomorrow actually. Okay, I'll start to go with an what is networking. Today, I'll just give you a little bit introduction. What is network, how it works, and why it is important. How, like when you enter something on a browser, like I've entered here testphp.oneweb.com, where this request goes, how this page you are able to see, okay, how this request comes to you back, okay. So this all related to the networking stuff. I'll just give you an overview of it today. Then we'll move forward, and from tomorrow will be start and real networking part, which is essential to understand how actually this kind of things work. How actually this tools can be used, okay, and how to read it. Important, okay. And you don't worry, using a real life examples I have explained it, like it will be just like as easy as playing a game for you, okay. So no need to worry. Even like Rekha has asked, if you're not on a technical background, doesn't matter. I assured you that, okay, that at the end you'll be able to be happy that okay, I have like you know done this. I have just done this course. I've just enrolled it, or thanks to it that we have learned it in a fun way. Okay. So because I won't myself believe in learning in a fun way, because it's very very boring, yeah. Like if we go like okay, just I just going with a series a command. From this you'll be getting this thing. Now you can do this, you'll get this result, and your session is done. It's not fun, right? Hacking is VAPT should be about fun. When you will be doing work, you'll be feeling like okay, this is something exciting, right? So that's how I believe in, and that's how only we'll be going to learn. Okay, great. So this is something interesting I wanted to show you. This kind of thing will be happening every day. I'll be showing you something until unless we'll get to the terminal and we'll start the networking. Okay, like I'll not go make you bore. Just for the thing that I want to show you that how actually Linux is, how powerful it is. Okay, and how hackers use it, and what is you have seen in the movies or picture, and to clear your vision that okay, actually what is VAPT, what is cybersecurity, and what movies or okay. So that's upcoming of it. Okay, but guys, before moving ahead, I would like to give you one question. Do you know when was the first hacking happened? Any idea? Yes. Yes, guys, you can answer. No, no worries. I think, Amira, you were facing issue while joining the session. Is it resolved now? Is it working fine? Are you able to hear me? Oh, you again got left. No worries. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So, guys, have you ever heard about any first hacking incident, any kind of thing in a history?
I think
No?
I heard about Ankit Fadia's attempt in early, I think,
Okay.
millennium, nearby 2000 approximately, 2000, 2001.
Okay, great. Nice,
Ankit
nice.
Fadia, right? He was the first, he written the book on hacking, ethical hacking as well.
Right, right, right. He was the most famous, first famous hacker of India. Right. You're right.
Yes.
Next. Anyone else? No? I'll give you an brief, overview of it. Okay. So it will be very interesting for you. Just as a story. Okay. Or it is actually a real incident. I'll portraying it to you as a story. Okay. What happened? So it was 1902. Okay. It was that time it happened. Okay. So there were two people. First one was Guglielmo Marconi, and second one was a Neville Maskelyne. Okay, this is in UK. So, that all about and communication. Nowadays, right? So interesting area, the growing field was a communication. Okay, like if you are able to communicate the person living long, okay, so that was a great invention that time. Okay, like how you are getting excited, like it makes us shock sometimes that okay, by using AI we can generate image of anyone, right? So that time that communication was shocking the people because it was of 1902, right? So that was something shocking for the people because they were developing technology. Okay. So what happened? That time one scientist was there whose name was Guglielmo Marconi. Okay. He developed two devices. One is transmitter, one is receiver, which can allow people to communicate wirelessly. That was the age, that was the era where people are only able to communicate using a wires. Okay. That time this scientist have developed some technology which allows people to communicate wirelessly. So that time it was very interesting. It's like you can compare it in a today's era like an AI is generating image or it is generating whole movie. Okay, and completely free. So it was that time, it was that much interesting for people. Okay, because it was of 1902, right? Then what happened? Uh, he has patented it in his own name that he has discovered this. Okay, but the thing was, at the same time, there was also one person who knows this technology before Guglielmo Marconi that without using wires he can communicate. Okay, he was a magician. He used to guess people's idea, or he used to guess using this technology. He used to perform magic. Okay, any tricks he can do. Okay, so people people used to think that this is magic, right? Because people don't know that time that wireless communication exists. This was a science, but magician never reveals its trick, right? So how can be a magician then? So he didn't reveal his trick ever. He just used that trick to show them. Okay, if he reveals that, it will collapse the show. It will not magic anymore. People understand it. This is a science, right? This is a technology. So what they will do is, what he used to do, he used to portray it as a magic. Who? Naval Mescaline. Okay, but the same technology was discovered and patent registered by Guglielmo Marconi. Right. So now what happened? Naval Mescaline thought this person will get famous. Hello, is my voice audible now?
Sometimes it is breaking, Vivansh. For me, I think is it me only or others are also facing the same? No, no.
I'm
Okay, I'm
also
audible now.
facing it. Yeah, sometimes it is breaking in and out.
Ah, okay, okay. I'm so sorry, guys. Maybe it's because of the, it's having connection issue only.
Yeah,
Just give
I
me a
totally understand.
second. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, yeah. Till where you have understand, guys? Uh, can you just give me any reference so I can continue from that?
You're talking about the wireless communication.
Yeah, yeah. So that time the wireless communication was established. So Guglielmo Marconi was a scientist who discovered this and patented it in his own name. But at the same time, one magician was there, Neville Mescaline, who used to use same technology to show the magic. Okay, but he can't reveal the trick because it will be not magic then. It will be a technology, right? So what a technology or science, what he used to do, he keep it hiding from the people. Okay, but at some after some time, Guglielmo Marconi has patented it. So what this Neville Mescaline thought that now trick is revealed. no one will watch the show, but this credit of discovering this technology should be mine, because I've discovered it before the Google Marconi. So what he did is he tries to hack the Google Marconi's device. How he did it, I'll give you an proper, investigation of it. Okay, so it, as you know, guys, when something new is invented, it needs to be tested by the government, right? So for testing it, what Marconi has done, he has arranged a test, okay, in which people from that government, from that UK, what it happened, they went to the seaside, and he uses the two device to do this, okay, this transmission. So one receiver is placed in the ship of the captain's ship, and one receiver transmitter is with the Marconi. So whatever Marconi will be transmitting from his device will be received by the captain who is sailing on the ship far away in the ocean. Okay, to test whether this really this works or not, this communication works or not, because that was a great invention. Like even like if people are using in a wars, there was a war time was going on, so it will be very helpful for the people, okay, to communicate wirelessly. So to test that before using it in some kind of serious situation, they try to test it in a this seaway, this seaside. Okay, so when Marconi sends some data, some note, something written from his transmitter to the receiver device, which is in the ship, okay, which was far away. One captain was there in the ship, okay, but when he transmitted that data, it got caught in middle by the naval mescaline. Why? Because he is only having that technology that time, rather than Google Hello Marconi. But what he did is he captured that data in between, he changed that data, modified it like it will be something bad written about the captain, bad words, and he sent it to the captain then. Okay, so the message received by the captain in the ship was not which is shared by the Google Marconi. The message captain received, it was modified by the naval masculine in the between. This kind of attack nowadays called as data alteration. Okay, means capturing data in the between, changing it and sending it to the person or a server or a company. Okay, so this kind of thing happened in the past. But do you know that time computers was not famous? There were not computers that much famous. Like computer was there, but it was not in a commercial use. I'm talking about 1902. People, most of the people don't know about computer exist. Okay, so don't think that hacking is or VAPT or cybersecurity is about having only thing on a computer. It is more than that. Okay, we can't limit it to the computer. Okay, so this is the very interesting things, interesting topics are there in a cybersecurity. So this is the some incident I would like to share with you. That's why I shared, because it will change the most of the people mindset that hacking or cybersecurity or a VAPT can be done only using a computer. No, it's not. Okay, we can use other devices as well. Got it? Clear, everyone? You are having any doubts in this story? Anyone missed anything? You can ask me.
I'm good.
Yes, guys.
I'm good with this.
Sorry. Yeah, great. Okay, nice. Okay, guys. So I hope you have understand the story. Maybe it was boring, but this is the first hacking happened in the history. Internet says many other situations, many other stories as well, but this is something happened in 1902. Okay, which was much more older. Okay, then there were the hackers developed. Okay, they some hackers having a technology of activating some weapons using just blowing the whistles. We used to call them whistleblowers. Okay, so hacking is nothing which has just got right now. It was existed. Hacking was existing before the computer was commercial. Okay, so it is very, very old term. It's not a new thing. Okay, just the thing hacking word comes because we used to do things. Hackers do things which is not possible. Okay, people don't think that way. Okay, hacking is an art of thinking or viewing the thing that people can't view in that way. Okay, it is something creative thing. Okay, so that's what differs people, cybersecurity people, from the whole population. Yeah. Okay, that's the only small boring story I would have to tell you, because it will change the way you look into cybersecurity, guys. It was important to tell you. Okay, now I'll like you to share the screen and show you uh something about and networking and how the network works. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, is my screen visible, everyone? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Great. So guys, any idea what is a network? Any idea? Like, have you are from the tech backgrounds as well? Some people are from tech background, so they can answer me. Yes, guys, I'd like to talk with you. Please, anyone can answer?
It's a communication between source and destination.
Right. It's a correct, best definition. It's a communication between source and the destination. Right. See, if you ask me, so what I'll say is, uh, when more than one device is connected, okay, uh, with each other, they form a network. Okay, like what you do when you are having one group on a WhatsApp. Okay, so that people you are connected with, you are forming a network with them. Okay, and whatever you want to share with them, anything related to your work or anything, you can just put in a network. It will be reaching to everyone, right? So networking is something I call it personally, and what it actually means is, when there are more than one devices connected with each other, they can share the data, right? And then share the resources with each other. We call it a network. Okay. So it is simple, very, very simple, nothing hard. Okay. So network is something we can use to communicate. We can share the data, and we can make a connection with a other devices or anything connected with us. Okay, like same as your friend, you are having your friends. So we say, no, sometimes I'm having a network till Bollywood, I am having network till Hollywood. Then why you say that? Because that network is the thing, because we are having connection, you are connected with the people over there. Okay, and you can share the details, you can take their details. Okay, so that is what a networking in the technology as well. We are connected with the whole world, is connected with each other. Okay, so we all are making a network. So is it just that simple? Only that network is network, is it finished? No, there are the types of network if I go with. Okay, so there are the basically four major types of network: pan, LAN, MAN, and MAN. Okay, you can imagine it as a circle. Okay, so pan is the smallest circle. Okay, PAN means a personal area network. If I give you a best example of it, so it is a network which is formed with, for example, you are connecting your headphones with your mobile. Okay, it is in the personal area range. It is having some ranges. All the network is having the ranges. So when you are connecting your Bluetooth headphones, then headsets with your mobile phone. That time you're forming a PAN network, personal area network. Okay, it doesn't require you internet to connect, right? If you want to connect something with your phone, like headphones with your phone using a Bluetooth, does that mobile ask you connect to the internet first, then we can connect your headphone? No, it doesn't. So it's not, don't relate it with the online thing. Network is something we can connect without an internet also. So it's all about connection more than a internet. And how the internet forms, that also I'll tell you. Okay. So first is a PAN. It is formed when it's the smallest type of network in among the four network, which is having only 30 feet of range. If you're connected with your phone using your Bluetooth headphone, you're listening a song. If you go from one home to another, or even you are having floors, if you go from first floor to ground floor to first floor, your network will be disrupted, right? You will be getting disconnected from your mobile phone and your song will be stop playing. Okay. So it's having only 30 feet of range or below that. Okay. Again, it depends on the type of device you are having. If you're having nice Bluetooth, it's having more range. If you're having less Bluetooth headphones, so it will having a less range. Okay. So that's a personal area network. Then we are having a LAN which we use in a daily life, local area network, right? It is same as your router, right? Like in your home, you're having router, you're connected with it. More people are connected with it. You can surf on the internet using it. So that comes under the local area network. Okay. It's also having some ranges. If you're connected with, if you're in the home, you're connected with your Wi-Fi. Okay. You left your home to go in a park. Okay. So your park is 2 kilometers away from your home. Is it still connected with your home router? Your phone is still connected? Yes. Anyone?
No.
Yeah. So if you are having connected with your router using your mobile phone and you went to your park to have a walk and your park is 2 kilometers away from your home, do you still connected with your router's home Wi-Fi?
No.
No.
No, no,
Why? Why? Because it is having
it's
certain
too
limits.
long.
Yeah, it's too long, right, to connect. So that is what a LAN is. LAN means a local area network. Okay, it's having certain limits. It can connect within some areas, but larger than PAN. Okay, you can imagine it as a circle. PAN is a small circle. LAN is a bigger circle than that. So PAN is a small network. LAN is a bigger network than it. It's having more range. It provides more functionality. Like using a LAN, you can connect to the internet. You can surf to the internet, right? Basically, your home router and you're connecting with your router is a best example of a LAN. Okay. Then there comes a MAN, a metropolitan area network. So what happens in a MAN, as you can see on the screen, see, uh, I'll give you an example. Okay. So what happened when you are using a MAN, uh, I'll take your home example only. Okay. You are having 4 floors. Okay. So on the ground floor, you are having one router. Okay. Where all the internet connection is there. Some wire comes outside, sorry, some cat cable, one wire comes from outside the home, and that internet person, it connects it to the router, right? So that is the main router of yours. Okay. Then from that router, are you able to connect when you are reaching to the fourth floor of your home? Can you connect? You can take an example of your office as well. Yes. Can you connect, guys?
We can still connect, but the signal is too less, or maybe the. Oh, oh, you mean you're saying if in the office you're saying, right?
Yeah, if you're in the office, your office on the 13th
Yeah,
floor
yeah.
or your
Yes, we
office on
can
the fourth
connect.
floor.
Yes, yes, we can connect.
No,
to
no.
still
Your
connect.
office on the 13th floor and you
Huh?
went down on the ground floor. Can you connect still to your office router?
Oh, no, no, we can't.
No.
No, right? So, but you are on the same area. You are in the same building. Why you can't connect? Because height is here mattering, right? Distance against matter, whether it's an longitudinal distance or it is an horizontal distance. Distance is a distance. It's having certain limits, right? So to solve this problem, what people do, they use a MAN network. Okay. You may have seen multiple routers in your office rather than one to have a better connectivity. Why? Because in your home also you can take example that on the imagine that you are installed an router on your ground floor, but when you reach to the fourth floor, you are not having that much uh, connectivity with the router. So what you do on each floor, you have one router. So is it something like on each floor you are taking different internet connection from outside? No. What you do is you connect all the three routers with the one main router, one primary router, which is on the ground floor. Okay. And you only take one connection from outside, ISP. Okay. You can just take an example of it here like an extension. Okay. Do you know extension? We are having extension boxes at home, right? Let's assume that you are having switchboard. Okay, but you want to uh, connect device your laptop far away from switchboard. Let's take an example. Your switchboard is something near your table and you are having you have to connect your laptop and sit on the bed. Okay, so that time you can't move the switchboard, right? So what you do is you apply one extension box, you take that cable with you so that your electricity can pass from that switchboard to the extension box, and still you can plug in the charger and you can charge your laptop and do your work, right? Same that metropolitan area network works. It's every router is a different on the different floor, 1 2 3 floor, and it is connected with a primary main switch box, which is the primary router, which is on the ground floor. So whatever internet comes to the primary router, it spreads to the all the three routers on the each floor. Okay, and it increases the area. Okay, it increases the area of the network. That's what we call a MAN network, metropolitan area network. Okay, why people use this? Most in the companies people use it. Like if the company is big, right? So what happens, they are having offices in long areas. So HR department is somewhere else, then after 200 meters there is different department, after 200 meters there is different department. So what they do is they use only one single router. Okay, from that router they connect multiple routers and form a MAN, metropolitan area network. So they connect all the routers with one primary router. Okay, as you can see in the picture, let's assume that this one building is of HR department, one building is of example I'm giving. One building is of IT department, one is for the manufacturing, one is of the something else department. Let's take an admin department. Okay, so we are having one main router here. MAN is a main router. So all these four buildings are connected with this main router. Every building is having their own router. Okay, so every department is having their own router, and all those routers are connected with one primary router. Okay, which is sharing internet with them. It's same like your extension box is sharing electricity with you. Okay, it's not a switch box, electricity switch, but it is sharing electricity, right? So that's how a MAN works, connecting multiple LANs. Okay, with each other, it forms a MAN, metropolitan area network. Okay, guys, are you confused in this? Any confusion in this, guys? You can ask me.
No, I'm good.
Okay, clear? No worries. Now there comes a wide area network. Okay, in a wide area network, whole the world is connected with each other. Okay, if I give you a best example of it, let me share my screen. I'll share you something else here. Just a second. Okay. Guys, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is how the world is connected, guys. Okay, these are the wires under the ocean. Okay, so this all wires are connected with whole. This is a real world map. Okay, this is a whole. If you I'll copy paste it in your chat box as well. You can view in your browser too. Okay, I've sent it in the chat box. Okay, you can click it and view in your browser as well. Okay, so this shows the connection of the internet all over the world. See, everyone, there are multiple wires are there. See, in India, there are multiple wires. In UK, in UAE, there are multiple wires. See, all this world is connected with wire. Before this session, how many people knows this, guys? Anyone? If anyone knows, can you raise your hand? No? Okay.
I
Is it
think so.
something amazing, guys? You must be thinking that whole world is connected with the satellite, right? But it's not like that. This is how the whole world is connected with the internet using a wire. Multiple wires. See? You got it, everyone? This is
Yes.
what we call a WAN network, wide area network. When whole the countries are connected, whole the world is connected with each other. Okay, got it? Till here, everyone got it? Having any questions till here?
Rudrash, even cellular services also called falls under WAN network.
Sujit, your voice is breaking to me. I'm not able to hear you.
Uh, uh, what I'm asking is a cellular network is also called falls into the WAN network.
Which network?
Cellular,
Cellular. Yeah, are
mobile
you asking
phones.
about your mobile phone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it falls in the WAN network, right? When you're connected using your Wi-Fi to your router, then it comes in the LAN network. If you want to check, you will see the differentiate between the IP address because you are previously worked in the technical. That's why I'm asking. That's why I'm saying. If you check the IP address, that will be different. Okay. Check the IP address when you're
Right.
connected with the Wi-Fi. Then check with the mobile data turning on cellular network. Your IP will be changing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, guys. So till now, I'll stop here. Okay. Something theoretical will be there in starting 2-3 days. Then we'll shift to setting up the labs. Then we'll start with the practice of a hacking because as you saw when I show you some commands on the terminal, so it requires some knowledge of the networking. Okay. So that's why we are learning networking. Don't worry, I'll not bore you for too much time. It will take only 1 to 2 day hardly. Okay, then we'll move with the practical things. Then after that, everything is practical. Okay, little bit of theory we are having of explanation time, but practical is there in every session. Okay, got it, everyone? Any questions till here? You can ask me, Rika, Ravi, Amira, Yahaya. No questions, guys.
No, it's good
Rudran,
to have.
yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead, Rekha.
Yeah, Sujit, thank you. So just that in the van, no, if one of who maintains the van cable, like if one of the like I mean
Mhm,
cables, I mean if something is damaged, like the
mhm.
entire I mean this will be affected, right? So who
Yeah,
maintains all those?
we only maintain it when we pay for the recharge, right? So this company maintains the van. See, internet is free. Okay. What is internet? When multiple devices are connected with each other, we can share the resources with each other. See, if one system is having some data, we can share it with another system. That is internet, right? So when it comes with the maintenance part, as you said, it's actually really nice question. So what happens, whatever we pay for these companies, that ISPs, internet service providers, like we are having, if you are in India, we are having for Geo, Airtel, right? This kind of thing, this kind of ISPs, we pay them. Okay, because of that we don't pay for the internet, we pay for the maintenance. Okay, so all these wires, they are cutted by the sharks or the fishes. Sometimes it's break, maintenance are required. So using this money only they maintain. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes.
Great. Okay, great. Okay, any other questions, guys? No? Okay, great then. We'll wind up today's session. Let's meet in tomorrow's session then. If you are having still any
Sure.
questions, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Sure, Rudransh. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Great time. See ya.